Get ready to fall in love with these mini pumpkin cheesecakes. They're irresistibly silky, perfectly portioned, and bursting with delicious fall flavors. Perfect for any occasions. Hi, I'm Goli and welcome back to Miss Cake Kitchen. Today I'm going to show you how to make these delightful mini pumpkin cheesecakes. First, let's prepare the crust. Start by crushing 100 grams of Peribor biscuits using whatever tool you have on your hand. Then add 70 grams of melted butter, and mix them until it forms a crumbly texture. Gently press this mixture with whatever tool you have. And pop them into the fridge for about 30 minutes. For the wet ingredients, combine 213 grams of pumpkin puree with 20 grams of flour, 5 grams of cinnamon and ginger, a pinch of salt, 8 grams of vanilla, and 2 eggs. Whisk everything together until smooth and then set it aside. Now, cream together 340 grams of room temperature cream cheese, with 170 grams of brown sugar, using the paddle attachment until it's smooth and creamy. And make sure to scrape down the bowl several times to ensure everything is combined. If you enjoyed this video so far, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Once the cream cheese mixture is ready, slowly add pumpkin mixture and blend until everything is smooth and combined. Take the chilled crusts out of the fridge. Fill each one about 3/4 full with the filling. Then bake them in a preheated oven at 325 degrees Fahrenheit for about 25 minutes until they're set. To prevent cracks, also place a water bath in the oven to keep the environment moist. Once they're done, let them cool in fridge for about 2 hours to fully set. You can decorate them with some caramel, pecans, a sprinkled cinnamon, or even a little piece of petit biscuits for that perfect finishing touch. These mini pumpkin cheesecakes are so creamy, so delightful, and perfect for any gathering. Give them a try and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more delicious recipes. Until next time, happy baking and enjoy every delicious bite.